Your bedroom is the place you go to relax and escape everyday life. When designed correctly, bedrooms are soothing sanctuaries full of cozy bedding and peaceful decor that make you feel both happy and calm. The fact that bedrooms are personal spaces, often shared with another person, makes decorating tricky. One crucial tip to keep in mind as you consider bedroom ideas is to forego popular trends or styles in favor of what makes you happy. If there are not any significant bedroom remodeling changes, determining your furniture layout is the first and biggest decision you will need to make. Once you have settled on a bedroom layout, take the time to select colors and decor that reflect your personality. If adding new decorations and furniture is not enough of an aesthetic change, you can turn your bedroom makeover into a full blown remodel by creating your own master bedroom suite, complete with a sitting room and master bathroom. Now the question arises here, how do I pick bedroom colors and decorating ideas? Although your bedroom color scheme is often a personal opinion, there are some paint colors that are more relaxing and better suited for your sleeping area. Studies have found that pupils with blue bedrooms often get more sleep because of the calmness it elicits. Brighter colors may lead to a better mood, but they also might keep you up longer at night. If you have a significant other with opposing taste, consider master bedroom colors falling within a neutral range, such as variations of green, gray, or brown, to keep everyone happy. Sharing many bedroom pictures that you have saved to your idea book can be a great way to help your significant other get a sense of your bedroom remodeling ideas. When it comes to bedroom decorating ideas, your options are endless. When nailing down your bedroom design, it's helpful to start by tackling the more permanent things like furniture, artwork, and photographs that put you at ease are a great addition, and mirrors are of must have if you use the space for dressing. When considering bedroom ideas, bedding is always important. Your decorative pillows should play nicely with the paint colors and bedroom wall decor, but can also be swapped out easily, which makes it easy to incorporate an interesting print or texture. Lastly, add some accessories to style your nightstand or dresser. Just be careful not to go overboard. Too many knickknacks can make your room feel cluttered and disorganized, which can actually cause sleep trouble. If you keep these bedroom decorating ideas and color considerations in mind, you should be well on your way to creating the perfect bedroom design. Whether you want inspiration for planning a bedroom renovation or are building a designer bedroom from scratch, this video will really help you a lot. Please provide your feedback in the comment box. We will meet in the next video. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thank you so much.